every day is sanitation day.
Sister Usubai, let Clean Ghana play your part. Kai. Bear.
Who want to go to heaven? Are you sure you will go to heaven? Where do you throw your refuse? Where do you defecate? Where do you urinate? Whenever I take a stroll on the street of Ghana, I see baller, beaches, baller, bushes, baller, rivers, baller, gutters, baller, markets, baller, everywhere, baller. So I ask you, will you go to heaven? Do you know why our forefathers lived hundreds? They were law-abiders to what we term as taboos, yet they preserved and restored the environment. We say we are civilized, but on the street, people poo-poo. Beaches, they poo-poo. Bushes, they poo-poo. Rivers, they poo-poo. Gutters, they poo-poo. Everywhere, they poo-poo. Sister Usubai, let's clean Ghana. Play your part. Typhoid fever, cholera, malaria, diarrhea, Ebola, flooding, loss of properties and lives are our wages. Children's physical and mental development is retarding. The toll on the national health insurance is rising. There is always low productivity in our national economy because we keep on spending money on something we can easily prevent. Sister Usubai, let's clean Ghana. Play your part. Stop open littering now. Let us put our refuse in dustbins. Gutters are not dustbins. Stop open defecation now. Let us build houses with latrine and use it. Public toilets are for transit people. Stop open urination now. Use the washroom. The wall is not a washroom. Let us enforce the laws with no political interference. Let us wash our hands with soap and water after visiting the toilet, before eating, before food preparation. Sister Usubai, let's clean Ghana. Play your part. My woman win here. Men kasa won ka ho. Na Ghana ene ebibi man be ya ejina menne goso. So again, I ask you, are you sure you are going to heaven?